What if I told you that making cinematic movies with AI just became actually cinematic? This tool lets you cast characters, direct scenes, control camera rigs, and build multi-shot films without editing software, timelines, or a production crew. Watch this. Hey, it's Jessica, and today I'm showing you Cinema Studio 2 from Higgsfield, the fastest growing AI filmmaking platform right now. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just someone who wants cinematic AI videos, this update is insane. I'll walk you through what's new, how it works, and how you can start generating cinematic AI videos step by step. You can now enter your generated image as a 3D scene. That means you can move inside the environment, adjust perspective, and refine composition like a virtual set. There's also grid exploration, so you can preview multiple variations and storyboard your film before animating. This is where it gets crazy. Cinema Studio 2 introduces genre-based motion logic. If you choose action, the camera moves fast, horror slows down for tension, comedy holds reactions longer, and there are others to choose from. You can now create multi-shot sequences up to 6 shots per scene at 1080p. Characters stay consistent across scenes, and you can assign emotions and dialogue with automatic lip sync. You can even control speed ramping during generation, not in post. First, you enter Cinema Studio and build your rig. Choose your camera sensor, lens, focal length, and aperture. Then write your prompt describing the scene, lighting, and subject. You can explore the scene in 3D or generate a grid to choose your hero frame. Next, you direct the motion. Choose camera moves like pan, tilt, dolly, zoom, drone, or handheld. Select your genre, add characters, assign emotions, and generate. The system animates your hero frame with cinematic continuity. This is a huge step from AI clips to real AI filmmaking. Creators can make short films, ads, YouTube videos, UGC content, and storytelling without expensive software or teams. This is also a massive opportunity for AI creators to monetize cinematic content, client videos, and storytelling projects. If you want to try Cinema Studio 2, I'll leave the link in the description. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, subscribe, and tell me what cinematic AI project you'd create.